Okay, here we go. Oh, Marky caught. Hold on. Oh, there you go. We had a big storm that came through. It's still raining. It's supposed to get heavier later. Figure I'll walk the dogs before the rain can start getting heavy again. Come on, Margaret. Limbs fell off this tree here. This is a dying tree anyway. We need to have the neighbor cut it down. We're thinking about cutting it down for him. We can. Come on. Luckily, it didn't hurt my garden. Let's go. Come on, don't be afraid of it. It's a stick. It's a stick, doggies. Come on, get going. Over here, Lucy. See, over there by the pool there. Look at that. That's a big limb there. Oh, you see something? Look at that over there by the woods over there. That's another big limb that fell off, that broke off a tree. Oh man, this thing got more damage on it. This tree here. That neighbor is going to have a job. Yep. There's a lot of tree limbs. These are dying trees also. Yeah. You can hear that thunder. The wind was blowing pretty hard. All these fruit trees were just swaying, almost hit the ground. They were swaying so hard. Look at all the leaves over there, limbs. We didn't really get a whole lot of rain from that so far. Yeah, this ditch here is dry. It's just a lot of big wind, heavy wind. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna have a mess tomorrow to clean up. Put some limbs in the pole. They're not too many, luckily. And just think, this morning I even watered my plants. I should have waited. Usually when I wait, it doesn't rain. So I decided to water it anyway. Oh well. We didn't get a whole lot of rain from this anyway. Just a lot of wind. I gotta fix this light here. Yeah, it keeps falling down. Oh, not my...
You are in a monitored area.
Plant down here. This didn't get much rain. Better put this out here. Try to keep it getting too much sun. Put that right there. Okay. I watered them today too. They were dry. Neighbor across the street, their can blew over. Our can blew over too. I picked them up before walking the dogs. You guys don't have to go? Been a while since you guys used the bathroom.